There is no need for you to abandon your life for ICAG. Now, one of the challenges of students over the years and many people these days is, hey, Nhyira, I've been trying to, become a chartered accountant because I need to increase my value in the marketplace and the ICAG is what I want to do. But, work, life, there is a lot. What do I need to do? Yes, you are busy. You have a lot of schedule. You need to go to work, take care of the children. You have other personal responsibilities. How do you fit in your studies? That is why our Nhyira Premium platform is exactly what you need. Now, what is good about our platform is that you can study at your own pace. What does that mean? It means that there is no need for you to log on at a specific time. Once you are finished with your registration, you just get access to our lecture videos, the full lecture videos on various things, and most importantly, you also get access to key summary videos throughout the syllabus. What it means then is that you can study at your own pace, and most importantly, without the internet. What does that mean? It means once you've complete your enrollment and download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store, you just download the videos. So you have access to internet somewhere, you download the videos. And once you download the videos, wherever you are, you can now start studying at your own pace. What does that mean? It means that it is not like, yes, hey, it is this time. And once you miss that time, you are gone. No. Whatever time it is. So maybe you have traveled and you are somewhere in the outskirts of town. You just grab your phone, grab your device, boom, you are studying. Why? Because the videos are available. And we also have our support team available where if you have questions, maybe you're solving a question that you don't understand anything, or you need an assistance about something, maybe you need further explanation in respect of a video that you have watched, you can reach out and boom, you will be supported. Listen, your ICA journey is not supposed to be stressful. Your ICA journey is not supposed to be adding another level of stress to the stress that you are already going through. Our platform is created for people just like you so that you can go through this with ease and most importantly, sit for every examination and pass the exam. Listen, you don't have to write a paper 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. No. With our mobile application, our mentorship program, our executive leadership masterclass, you will be in the position to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. And our enrollment is currently ongoing, and you can register to join our community, get access to all of our content, study directly under my mentorship with the team here, and get access to the content that you need to go into the exam hall and pass the examination. The best part is this: you can do all of these without having to break the bank on internet. You get access to high quality lecture videos to help you go through the syllabus in record time with a support team that is on standby to hold your hand, provide you with the mentorship that you need in order for you to pass the examination so you can become successful. So head on to our website at nhyirapremium.com to complete your enrollment today, or you can download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to complete your enrollment. Or you can call the number 050-114-9296. You can see the number on your screen. Call the number and you'll be assisted to complete your enrollment. Listen, your life is important. You can enjoy your life. You can have quality time with your family, with your spouse, with your children, with the people you love, and also become a chartered accountant. You don't have to sacrifice one for the other. You can be all if you have the right plan in place. And that is exactly what our program offers you, to be able to be all that you need to be and also add value to yourself in the marketplace so you can become successful. I'll see you during our live lectures as we hold your hand, provide you with the mentorship that you need so you can pass the exam and most importantly, take your life to the next level. Visit our website, nhyirapremium.com, and complete your enrollment today, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application and complete your enrollment today. And I'll see you during our live lectures.